I'm Indigo.
And I'm Atlanta.
And we're from Shaderoo! So today we're going to be trying to make some magical unicorn poo. Now, like some people, I am a huge fan of unicorns, and some people already know that.
Like me, I'm not such a huge fan.
And we're wearing unicorn onesies.
Look at it, mine's so better than yours.
No, it isn't. Okay, so what we'll need for these are some M&Ms,
Yummy!
some marshmallows,
Even yummier.
some small ones, some scissors. And while we're using these scissors, if you're quite young, ask a parent or guardian to help you with these because they can hurt.
If you cut your fingers off and
Okay, you'll need a hole puncher, also use an adult for this.
you can use a hole puncher, or if you don't have a hole puncher, you can just use scissors and
Or a
put
skewer.
and put it through a hole like that.
Okay, we'll also need some like ribbon. We're going to need a spoon, a tablespoon. We're going to need some cocoa powder, some rubber bands. It would be good if they're brightly coloured. If you can see here, I've got a red and a blue. And we will also need these plastic bags.
You can get them from Amazon, eBay, just look up, whatever you think.
So, the first step is we're going to get one of these bags and just, with the scissors, just chop off the bit at the bottom so there's a hole in it. I mean, you guys will be thinking, what kind of idiots are they chopping off a bit of it? But we're actually clever, you will see.
My brains will do it for you.
Now we're going to get a peg and just put it across so it can't be.
It can go
So it's
any
that
way, upwards or across. I rather upwards, but she rather across.
Okay, now can you please hold this?
Sure.
Now, with this cocoa powder, I'm going to get my tablespoon and just put 3 spoonfuls of it in there.
Are they big or small?
They're tablespoons, so they're
I
quite
mean, like big.
just normal medium-sized ones.
Okay.
1, 2.
Everybody, if you're doing this and you're going to a friend like we've done, try not to put your hair in it, like I might do that.
So now we're going to get a plain one which hasn't been chopped off, and we're just going to put this right. So we're just going to take the peg out. Can you take that out? Good. Now we're just going to put this in
all the way to the bottom, but then it won't look very nice if you just do it.
No, and now just gonna put it in. Get in there. Get in there. Is it coming out?
Yeah.
So,
This is what we've done so far.
barely any, but still, we will do it. So, I'm just going to be putting it out. And this technique makes it that the plastic band doesn't get covered with cocoa so much, because if it does, it can look a bit ugly.
Yeah.
So, and we're just quickly feeding it through. So that's one of them done. So we're going to do the same thing again, but for her magical unicorn poo. So we're just going to put the peg on. Peg just. I know you're eager, but please don't go without me. Okay, so good. Now just put 3 tablespoons in. 1. Can you count with us? 1, 2,
And mega big one. 3.
So now we're just going to put this out of view. We're going to get this other bag, put this through. So we're going to just get through and just. Would you like to do it?
Yes, please.
And just let the cocoa powder come out.
If you're a bit impatient like me,
You can just squeeze it out, but it may not look so nice. There we go, we finished it. And just looking like that, that doesn't look like much, does it?
that doesn't look as messy as this
That doesn't look like much, does it?
compared to this.
Yeah, that doesn't look like much cocoa powder. So we're going to teach you a little trick. We're just going to cut a bit off so it looks like there's more cocoa powder.
Isn't that clever?
That's yours.
Advertising. How good am I? Can I cut it off?
No, it's mine.
No, you cut mine off though.
Sisters these days. Okay, so now we've got our one. So can you just hold this for a second? Yes. So we're going to get our marshmallows out.
Now it's your choice. We're going to show you how to do both. You can do a mix. It's one like this one, or you can just do a layered one where marshmallow skip. Marshmallow M&Ms.
Okay, so we've got a few marshmallows on our plate and we're just going to put them on top.
Now I'm going to do a layered one, and Indigo's going to do a mixed one.
Because mixes roll. So now I'm just going to pour out some M&Ms.
Go on. And then,
Just to make sure they're not poisonous.
and then if you're doing a layer one, then just do a quick, then do a layer like this.
And because we like to save money, we recommend putting the marshmallows at the bottom because they cost less, and the M&Ms at the top because they cost more.
How dare you eat one more?
Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Like this, and now we need to tie it. So you can have the red.
Oh.
Now have the green one.
Now, if you don't know how to tie it, you know.
Yeah, you should know. They're quite easy, and if you don't, just ask the parent or guardian.
So if you want to try this, spin it round like this, put it over, and again, and again, and again.
Okay, now to make it look very, very colourful, we're just going to cut a bit of this off. Would you like to cut some off?
Yes, please. How much do you cut off exactly?
That should be enough. Not too much and not
So,
too less.
we've curled this ribbon to make it nice and curly. If you want to know how,
Just get some scissors and put it along the ribbon.
get scissors, hold it like this,
Do you like my moustache?
and then just go like this.
Yeah, and it will make it.
Nice and curly.
Okay,
Maybe I'll just try that one again.
and you just tie it around.
Thanks. If you don't know how to tie knots, ask a parent or guardian, and hopefully they'll know.
If you
how.
have a sibling, ask them.
If they're bigger, then
Ask them.
yeah. If you have a smaller one, then maybe just ask a parent
Or guardian.
or guardian.
now.
Now, right now, this looks quite similar to this, but what am I missing?
Now, we're going to get our little unicorn.
That's what I was missing.
Those unicorn things that say Magical Unicorn Poo. Just wanted to activate. Activate. And we're just going to put them below and just hole punch it.
What do you do now?
So we're going to just thread this along it.
This is so exciting. I need to eat another one.
Okay, so, and now that is basically it. We've got our Magical Unicorn Poo right here, and this can be a perfect gift or present or just a little snack to have.
This is actually, well, hot chocolate in a bag.
And stay tuned and subscribe to see more of our other videos. And you can see how to make more creative things. Like in our last video, we told you how to make a Oreo Christmas pudding that are just so good and so adorable, and they're perfect presents as well. So
we were going to advertise it, but we ate it all.
We ate it all because they were so good.
Please subscribe and tell us which Magical Unicorn Poop and Unicorn drawing you like best.
It's mine. Wait, let's just show them the answer. Might go fast. Okay, so this is my unicorn drawing.
I think hers looks
nice.
like a chicken.
It does not. Well, yours looks like a demented snowman.
Indigo.
Yeah. Okay, so those are our unicorn poops, and just tell us which one you think is the best. Obviously mine.
It should do, by the way.
See you next time on Shoodaroo. Later.